I am more popular than the Vice President of the Republic of Zambia. And I'm not joking about that. I'm more popular than the Vice President of the Republic of Zambia.
Why do you think so, really, Honorable Lusambo?
My name is a household name in this country. When we go to Eastern Province without escort, me and the Vice President, the people of Eastern Province, they will know me better than the Vice President, because we have been with people. We have interacted with people. They know Bowman by face and they know Bowman by heart. They know the Vice President by motorcade. That's the Vice President. That is the difference which is there. So for me, I am not a constituency politician, but a national politician.
Popularity is defined in so many ways, Honorable Lusambo. One can be popular for the bad deeds that one is doing.
Which is
again, the other person can be popular for the good things that you might have done or you are doing to the people of Zambia.
Very good.
What do you think people know you for? Bad things or good things?
Good things.
Right.
Good things. I've been working with the Board of Trust. When you go around this country, whether Northwestern Province, whether Southern Province, whether Central Province, Copperbelt Province, Luapula Province, Northern Muchinga, Eastern Province, I work with the Board of Trust, the church. Okay? I like working with the church, the Board of Trust. So for me, my name is not only in the political fraternity. My name is in church. My name is in the market. My name is in the street guys. When you go to the taxi drivers, the street kids, the street vendors, they will tell you that that is our man. When you go in the markets, they will tell you that one is our person. We work very well with all the people.
Just like any other person, Honorable Lusambo, you are aware that we all have a bad sides and our good sides.
That's life.
You know,
that's
do
life.
You also take account to the bad side of yours?
Yes.
You know, looking at the harm that you've caused to some of the people in Zambia.
There is no
injuries you've done to them.
There's no harm we have caused to the people of Zambia.
I mean you in particular, not we. I'm talking about you.
There's no harm which I've caused to the people of Zambia. My political career has been very clean. Very clean. Okay? Very clean. My political career. It has been very clean. I've passed through a lot of situations in my political journey.